Hello children, today we'll be discussing about the chapter machines, which is chapter number 3. So what are machines? Machines are the devices which are going to make our work easy. Example of simple machine is pulley, scissor, wheel and axle, screw, pulley, inclined plane. All these are simple machines. So I'll take up few examples here how they are going to make our work easy. For example, I have taken this lever. So what is basically lever? Lever, you can see, is nothing but this system, whole system, where suppose you have to pick this 250 kg box, and we know it's not feasible for us to pick the box easily, right? So for a single person, how he can do it? We can make a system. We can take a rod and we can fix it from one point, like you can keep a stone here, okay, which will keep this rod stable. And then what we will do, we will keep this rod under this box and we are going to apply effort. What is effort basically? जो काम हमें करना पड़ रहा है, like I'll push this downward, so this is my effort, and as a result what will happen, this load will be lifted above the ground. So lever, this whole system, is an example of a simple machine. At the same time, one more case you can take, pulley is also a simple machine. How? Just see, if I have to pull this 10 kg weight, like this is my 10 kg weight here, and I have to pull it. So what I will do, I will pull it up, okay, but the weight is quite high, it's 10 kg. So by pulling it like this will create a little bit trouble for us. So what we can use this system, a pulley. We will attach the string with this wheel kind of system and we are going to apply effort. मतलब जो मुझे force लगाना पड़ेगा to pick this load up. अब देखिए इसकी डायरेक्शन और इसकी डायरेक्शन, पहले अगर ये ना होता सिस्टम तो आई हैड टू पुल इट अप, तो अप से क्या होता, मेरा ज़्यादा एफर्ट लगना था टू पुल दिस लोड. बट बिकॉज यू कैन सी हमने डायरेक्शन चेंज कर दी, we have changed the direction and this is towards the gravity, so picking up this load becomes quite easy. So the machine has made our work easier, right? So in terms of physics, if we have to explain what is a machine, so the definition states that a machine is a device by which we can either overcome a large resistive force, like we did in this example. In this example we have overcome a large resistive force, means nothing but load itself, at some point by applying a small force. As you can see, we have applied small force in order to lift such big box of high weight and at convenient point and in a desired direction, or by which we can obtain gain in speed. Now this gain in speed का क्या मतलब है? Like when you have to cut a cloth, we apply effort on the scissors, like if this, we apply effort here, right, we apply effort here, तो थोड़ा सा effort लगाने से क्या होगा, ये scissor फटाफट it is going to cut the piece of cloth. So at the same time, by applying less effort we have gain in speed, मतलब इससे कपड़ा जल्दी कट गया. So now in this chapter there would be few terms which we should be clear with, so that we are able to do more things in detail easily. So before starting we should be clear what is a load. Load is nothing but the thing which we have to oppose means like you have this load here, so this is my thing which I have to take it up, means मैंने इसको उठाना है, तो जो चीज़ मुझे उठानी है with the help of a machine, that is a load. Second is effort. Effort is nothing but the force which we apply on the machine, like you can see this is the effort I am applying in order to lift this load. एफर्ट हमारी तरफ से होता है, लोड जो हमें उठाना है, एंड इट लोड इज़ गिवन बाय साइन L, effort is given by sign E. And now what is mechanical advantage? Mechanical advantage is nothing but ratio of load and effort. So L by E is load by effort का ratio, and this is known as mechanical advantage. This thing will have no unit. Why? क्योंकि load की unit and effort की unit same होती है. Like if your load is in Newton, say you are पुलिंग और यू वांट टू टेक अप 250 न्यूटन वेट, तो एफर्ट भी हम न्यूटन में ही काउंट करेंगे. तो सेम यूनिट्स गेट कैंसल आउट एंड वी विल हैव नो यूनिट ऑफ मैकेनिकल एडवांटेज. So there are three cases now. Mechanical advantage can be greater than 1, can be less than 1, or can be equal to 1. So it's very easy to make out when it will be greater than 1 and when it will be lesser than 1. So let me take an example. See, what was the formula of mechanical advantage? It was nothing but load by effort, right, as I have written here. So see, this value, when this will be greater than 1, इसका मतलब I have to write L by E should be greater than 1, or I can say L is greater than E. मतलब when load is greater than effort, मतलब जब हम भारी वेट उठा पा रहे हैं compared to the effort we are applying, then we will say this kind of system will act as a force multiplier, right? This will act as a force multiplier. If you remember, यही वाला एग्जाम्पल आप देख सकते हैं here. अब इतना मुझे 250 सपोज kg का मेरे पास वेट है. अब 250 kg के हिसाब से आई विल नॉट यूज़ सेम अमाउंट ऑफ वेट. अब मेरा वेट और ये बॉक्स का वेट में कितना ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है, ठीक है. एंड व्हेन यू कन्वर्ट इट इन न्यूटन, यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय ग्रेविटी, मल्टीप्लाई माई वेट विद ग्रेविटी. तो इसका जो है काम, लोड जो है और जो एफर्ट है, देयर इज़ अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस. सो बाय अप्लाइंग लेस एफर्ट आई हैव टेकन अप huge box up. So this is the case for MA greater than 1, right? And second case is when MA is less than 1, right? So here you will write L by E is less than 1 and L is less than E, right? मतलब हमें जो एफर्ट है, हमारा एफर्ट ज़्यादा होगा लोड से, and in this case it acts as a gain in speed. gain in speed, इसका एग्जाम्पल क्या है? लाइक सिजर्स. अब सिजर में क्या होता है, हम एफर्ट लगाते हैं, ठीक है. हमारा जो एफर्ट है वो ज़्यादा तेज़ी से चलता है. जैसे इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू कट अ पीस ऑफ क्लॉथ, तो आपके हाथ ज़्यादा जल्दी चलेंगे पीस ऑफ क्लॉथ को काटने के लिए. तो सेम, दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ गेन इन स्पीड. एंड द लास्ट केस इज व्हेन दिस इज इक्वल टू 1. सो L by E is equal to 1 and if you shift you get L equal to E. इसका मतलब क्या है? लोड भी सेम है, एफर्ट भी सेम है. इसका मतलब क्या है? इट मीन्स ना तो वो मेरे को फोर्स मल्टीप्लाई करने में हेल्प कर रहा है, नीदर इट इज़ गेनिंग इन स्पीड, बट इट विल हेल्प मी टू चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स एज वी हैव सीन इन दिस केस, राइट. जितना आप देखिए, जितना मैं एफर्ट लगाऊंगी उतने हिसाब से ये ऊपर आएगा. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि मैं अगर थोड़ा सा पुल करती हूँ रोप को तो ये बहुत ऊपर आ जाएगा. जितना मैं यहाँ से पुल करूँगी नीचे, वहीं उतने से ये ऊपर आएगा. तो in this case, in this example, this mechanical advantage is equal to 1 and this is used for changing the direction of effort, as you can see here. So for today I will be doing till here. In next video I will be sharing about velocity ratio. We will be discussing. Thank you for watching.